Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set up recurring meeting in Outlook. So the recurring meetings are the meetings that are to be repeated. That means a repeated meeting at probably a fixed day or on a fixed time. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my Outlook. So first of all, I need to click on new items. Click on meeting. So let's say I'm going to select the two at the info.techsupforyou.com. The subject I'm going to give, let's say, the documentation review, and then I'm going to add a body. Let's say I'm going to say documentation. So now what I can do is for this meeting to be repeated, I can just click on this recurrence. Now I can just select 5 a.m. to 30. Okay, so the 30 minutes. So now it will be weekly, every let's say every Tuesday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m. and it will be end after, let's say, after 10 occurrences. Okay, so that will be ended at the 3/16 or 2021. So now if I click on OK, so now it says occurs every Monday and Tuesday effective, and that is the time that it occurs. Now I can just click on send and then just click on send anyway, or if you want you can just also add the location as Zoom conference meeting. Then you can just click on send. So now this is how you can send it. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to set up a repeat meeting in Outlook. So thank you for watching.